Hello. I built an AI self-healing agent for Playwright that reduces test maintenance. What if your Playwright test could automatically fix broken locators instead of failing? In this video, I'll be demonstrating a plug-and-play Playwright self-heal agent that uses AI to recover from locator failures, learn from the previous fixes. That is a interesting thing here. It can automatically learn from the fixes by using intelligent caching and significantly reduces manual automation maintenance. So let me show you that. Yeah, this one. So here in my project, I intentionally broke two locators. Like if you see here, the username 1234, I have additionally added. If I run this particular test, yes, definitely script will fail, and this is how it looks like. So it says it's a timed out, and this is the failure. For example, if a manual engineer, they have fixed it, and if they have run it again, then what happens is I have made failure in the second locator also. So this one, we see this locator also I given. So then what happened? It will fail in the next step or whatever the depending step it fails, and then manually we need to identify what is the failure and we need to fix that one. So instead of that, if I use this self-healing agent, it will automatically fix the locators and it will not break your test. It will just continue your step, and at the end it is going to report you that these are the failed locators and this is they have healed it basically. Okay, so now let me introduce that agent basically. So what is that agent is? It's a plug and play agent. So then this agent is a package as reusable npm package. I have created this one. So this is the agent, the code related to that, and I have installed this just using npm install. I added a package here, just use npm install to this one, and I used a healer also. No, sorry, I used a fixer, that is a healer fixer. So using this one is basically you need not to change anything in the scripts or locators. No need to change. This register page, it will automatically registers all the pages which are related to your framework. And then what is the advantage of this one is it handles the pop-ups and tabs also. So whenever a new tab opens, generally most of the self-healing agents will not switch to that because the page is not registered. So but this, whatever the solution which I have given, it will automatically identify the tabs or new pop-ups and reports it properly. Whenever the execution is completed, it closes automatically and reports it properly. So now, as I said, this is the package which I created and which can be reused. Let me run one of the script and see how it works. So let me run this. Yeah, this is the script. So as I told you, I gave username and the login button wrong locators, but the self-healing agent will automatically identify the proper locators and it will continue the execution. And just wanted to remind, it will not change anything in your script. It will just give you the suggestion. This is how it is. From this, it will change it to this. Yeah, there is a failure, and now it will recover that. It will try to enter the username password, and then for login also it is waiting because there is a wrong locator. So it waits until the timeout and it goes to the LLM and it will identify the proper locator and then it performs the login action. And so meanwhile it executes. So one of the good thing what we have done is, so that is the login flow, right? And here if you see, this is the element, so which is going to fail, and then immediately it is using to fill the username. So the thing whatever we have done is cache first mechanism. So let me show you the report and then I'll yeah. So these two tests are passed and self-healing report is generated. Let me open that report. So this is the report, and you can see here 2 healing attempts, 2 are success. cache reuses 4 times. So because next time whenever the locator is failing, so it first goes to the cache and it identifies. Let me explain. This is the test and this is the original locator and this is the recovered locator by using LLM. Healed locator I can say. And it tells you what is the confidence score also, because it will proceed to the next step whenever there is a confidence score is more than 90, and it identifies the locators uniquely. And next time, see, whenever for this invalid login test, see, it is same locator but it is healed, but it did not use locator LLM, so it is not using any tokens, it just took from the cache. So where this cache is available here. So the moment any element is healed, it will write into the cache. Next step, whenever to identify the element, first it checks in cache and then performs the action. So this is the one which I wanted to highlight. So generals, any healing mechanism, basically it original locator, it waits until it is fails, timeouts, then go to the cache, then LLM. But what I have changed is, first the moment it has to perform an action, first it goes to the cache. It checks. If it is not there, then only it will find the element. If that is not available, then only it goes to the LLM. So that it saves the time while finding the element. If it is already failed, it goes to the cache, right? So next time it checks the cache and then performs the action. And as the two showed you report, so the original locator, healed locator, confidence, strategy, and the status. So this is the self-healing agent, which is a plug and play, can be used for any other project. So the advantage of these self-healing agent is it's a AI-powered healing and cache first optimization. It generates a JSON report and HTML dashboard also. You saw here is the HTML one and this is the JSON report. So based on this JSON report only, HTML report will be generated like this, so that everybody can easily understand. See, what is the reason for failure? Because of this is failed, and it uses the locator here, healed locator. And what is the action also, it tells because of which action it got failed, and whenever it cache. So what is the element, how many times this cache used also used, so that you can see that same locator is used in multiple times, and without any delay or without any timeout, it will automatically use this cache and it will continue the execution. Yeah, that's it about this self-healing agent.